Hello students, good morning. So today I'm going to solve this problem, that is the seventh problem of your question bank. Following are the balance sheet and receipts and payment account of Hassan Sports Club. Yes, so balance sheet is given and receipts and payment account and the adjustments are given. So we will solve this. So as you know, to solve, first step is you need to write Hassan Sports Club, Hassan. Yes, income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2018. This year is important. Then you write debit here, then you write credit here. Fine. After that, you will write your expenditure amount rupees, income amount rupees. Okay? ಇದೆಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ 1 marks ಉಂಟು. Now students, expenditure ಬರಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ you have to see your payments. I will repeat once again. Expenditure ಅನ್ನು ಬರೆಯಲು you have to see your payments. Okay. So like this I will keep. It is very easy for you to see. First one, payments ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನುಂಟು? Office expense. That is your payments. But 2 years are given. Which year you want? See, you are doing of the year ಯಾವ್ದು year 2018. So ಎಂಡಿಗೆ 2018 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 18 ಎಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. So 6,000 amount you will write. So write to office expense amount I'm writing, see, 6,000. Okay, good. Now next what they are telling, buy subscription to newspapers and journals 2,000. Subscription to newspapers, it's your expenditure. ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೇರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಇದು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಇದೆ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ದಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಇದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಜರ್ನಲ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ನೋ. ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಟು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರೀರಿ 2,000. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಏನಿದೆ? ಬೈ ರಿಫ್ರೆಶ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ 4,000. ರಿಫ್ರೆಶ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಿದೆಯಾ? ರಿಫ್ರೆಶ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಸಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಟು ರಿಫ್ರೆಶ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ 4,000. ಓಕೆ, yes. Now next what they are telling, investment. Student, investments are what? Yes, they are assets. You will write in the correct balance sheet. Bank loan, it is your liability. It will come in your balance sheet, liability side. Salary, salary is your expenditure. Salary is your expenditure. So please write salary amount ಏನಿದೆ 4,400. Salary ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೇರೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ in the question. Salary word ಇದೆಯಾ? Yes, salary outstanding 400. Salary outstanding ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is the salary ನೀವು ಪೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. I will tell once again, any information outstanding in the adjustments given, you will have to add it. So see here, how much I'm adding? 400. When you add, you will get 4,800. Okay? Yes. See now, next what is the salary aitu? This is in balance sheet, cash at bank it is. So leave. Is there anything else what you should write? Check the adjustment, students. See here, interest payable 2,400. That is the interest payable ಅಂದ್ರೆ you have to pay the interest ನೀವು ಪೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ that is your expenditure. That is the interest which you have to pay. ನೀವು ಪೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ interest payable amount was 2,400. Anything else is there? Please check. Correct. Depreciation on building 5,000. Depreciation you always write in your expenditure. We have solved several problems on this. So depreciation on building, ಇಲ್ಲಿ amount directly ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So it is again easy. Fine. Now expenditure is done. Now you will write your income. To write your income, what you should see? Very good. You should see your receipts. Income ಅನ್ನಿ ಬರೆಯಲು you have to see your receipts ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡುವುದು. First ಏನಿದೆ? Balance brought down, ಅದನ್ನು ಇಗ್ನೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. To subscription, yes you will write, but ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಯರ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? ಈಗ 3 ವರ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 3 years they have given. You are doing of the which year? 2018. ಸೊ ಇಯರ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕು? 18 ಇರಬೇಕು. 18 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದುಂಟು? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. 17,600. I will tell this once again, students. ಈ ರೀತಿ ತುಂಬ ವರ್ಷವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ do not get confused. You just check which year you are doing. 2018, isn't it? So year ಎಂಡಿಗೆ 18 ಇರಬೇಕು. Year 17, this is 19, but this is 18. So you will take this 17,600. See, I'm writing by subscription 17,600. Inner column writing. Why? There is adjustment. Check the adjustment. Subscription word anta ellide check ಮಾಡಿ. See, subscription for 2017-18 1000. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ 1600. ಆದರೆ ಈ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So you will ignore this. I will repeat this once again. Outstanding subscription 1600. It is already been taken here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 1600 already ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So ಈ amount ಅನ್ನು ignore ಮಾಡಿ. But this amount you will take it. This amount you will add it because it is of 18. See, 17, 18 idu. Actually it is received in advance idu. To tell in other words, this is a subscription received in advance. Because year end 18 ide ನೋಡಿ. ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು 18. So for you it will add. This year you will add, right? Add subscription 17, 18. Amount ಏನಿದೆ 1000. I will repeat this once again. Subscription outstanding ಇದೆ. But this amount 1600 is already taken here. Okay, so ignore it. But ಈ 1000 amount ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ. It is not taken here. So this amount will be added because it is of 18. After that, anything else is there? Subscription outstanding. Just now I have mentioned outstanding subscription, outstanding salary in adjustment. You will add it. Once again I will tell. Anything outstanding, illi outstanding word bandre adjustment alli ಆ amount ಅನ್ನು add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು because it is the amount which you will receive. So you write add subscription, add how much it is 1000. So ಇದು ಮೂರನ್ನು add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get correct 19,600. Now see, next ಏನಿದೆ? Entrance fees 4,000. But entrance fees ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? See, entrance fees are to be capitalized. Capitalized ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? It will be taken in the, very good, it will taken in the direct amount in the balance sheet. It will not come here. Capitalized ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ direct balance sheet ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. Next ಏನಿದೆ? Rent 4,000. Yes, you have to write. See here. Rent 4,000. Rent ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? Rent here ಇಲ್ಲ, rent word ಇಲ್ಲ. But you see, outstanding rent 400. This is of which year? 2017. ಎಲ್ಲಿ adjust ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಆ rent amount ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ 400. So this amount you will minus because it is of the last year. See here, by rent less ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಏಕೆಂದ್ರೆ it is of 2017. So 400 minus ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get 3,600. Then check students, anything else is there? Income from drama. Yes, ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ adjustment ಇದೆ? Drama word ಇದೆ? No. So directly you will write by income from drama. Amount is correct 6,000. Now anything else is there students? To sale of newspaper 400. Newspaper ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದೆಯಾ? This was subscription. Subscription is different. Sale is here. So sale newspaper word ಇದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲ. So directly I will write that is by sale of newspaper 400. Now balance ಮಾಡಿ students. Income is done. Balance ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ? Make the total. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ add ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ add ಮಾಡಿ. When you add, you will get this side highest. You will get 29,600. That year also write 29,600. Now this amount you will minus with 5,000, minus 2,400, minus 4,800, minus 4,000, minus 2,000, minus 6,000. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ amount minus ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ amount ಇಂದ you will get 5,400 and that will be your surplus. Thank you.